And I'm seeing that there are some questions which are written in the chat. I will clear all those things. What you are doing, you are asking the questions which we have to study. These coordination number and all, which we have to study. Why in the cubic unit cell end center is not there? Array, end center is not there means how end center will be there? Listen carefully. Okay, let us suppose end center is there. Come on, let's see. What is end center? End center means the atom will be here and one atom will be here. Yes or no? Two opposite ends. Yes. Okay, tell me one thing. If it is cubic, this atom and this atom will touch each other, yes or no? If it is cubic and these corner ones, these are also touching each other. Now I have the book. See, here it is. Are they touching each other? They all. This is simple cubic, yes or no? They are simple cubic. What is this distance? This whole distance. This distance. So in simple cubic, they touch each other. Now, if it is like this, this is touching this, and this, and centered, and they are also touching the other one. So what I will do, what is this now? Corner ones are touching or not? And this is touching. What is this? This is simple cubic, beta. At each corner atom is present. And they are touching each other. This is touching this. We are studying about solid, liquid or gas. Solid. In solid, the particles touch each other. So this particle will touch this particle, and this particle. And this particle, they are touching. See, the radius cannot change. Definitely. If it is simple cubic, got it? This will be A. This is one atom. This is another atom. This is one atom. This is another. They are same atoms. It's not like one element can have. See, this is one atom of an element. This is one atom of an other means of that same element. This is one atom. This is another atom. These atoms will not touch each other. They will touch or no? Tell me, will they touch? And will they touch? Yes, no? And the distance is A. So if I join like this, it will become simple cubic. Why I will make end center? End center forms, this is the common question actually. Actually, end center forms when it's something like this. What is this now? You might have seen that end center here. See, this and this, they will not touch. They have the different distance, and these have the different distances. Now this is altogether a different thing. This is end center, right? No, rank is the number of atoms in a unit cell. Coordination number is different. That will come and I will explain you. Don't worry about that. Sides are not same. In which diagram sides are not same? It is cubic. This one. This one. Listen carefully. This is the distance A. Or you can say that this is A, this is also A. They will touch each other. Atoms are equal. The atoms are equal, right? Why A root 2? The atoms are of same element. Atoms are of same element. They will touch each other. And if the distance is A for one, the two between the two atoms, that will be the same in the other two. And this distance, this one will also be A. They are also touching, yes, or solid, liquid, gas. Solid, liquid, or gas. Solid. They are not hanging in the air. I'm sorry. They are not hanging in the air. It's solid. They will touch each other. And if they are touching each other, then yes, it means that yes, they are not. It looks like, means sometimes it looks that this distance is more, this distance is less, but it's not, it's in 3D. It looks like this, but they are touching each other. If all 8 are touching each other, means these 4 are touching each other. 1, 2, 3, 4. They all are touching each other, and they are same atom. Means all distances will be the same. Sure, 100%. 8 atoms are there. All 8 atoms are having the same radius. That will be A will be 2R. That will be simple cubic. And they will touch. And you can't say they are not touching. Because if it is not touching, then it will be either a liquid or it is a gas. Not solid. And you can't say that it is not there. And if it is not there, in that case, it is not crystalline. Because in the crystalline, there is a regular arrangement. We need regular arrangement. Anybody having a doubt? You are, Jacqueline, you are asking or you are telling me? FCC. Wait. Listen. This is BCC. Are the corner atoms touching? No, they can't touch. They can't touch because the atom which is in the body, that is equal to them. Practically, it is not possible. And this is F center. Sorry, this is yeah. This is face center. How it is. So the corner are touching or not? Corner atoms are touching or they are not touching? Check. This is the corner one, this one. This is small one is the corner one. Corners don't touch each other. Got it? Any problem till packing fraction? Okay. You had made a solution for those packages? Yes, I know that some student does not have package and even NCRT also, and they cannot open the NCRT because on screen you are watching me, and how you can open the NCRT in the other tab, right? Nobody has the package. So I have the package. I will show you the diagram, and this is only for this chapter. From next chapter, there is no visualization is required. In this chapter, the visualization is required. That's why I have done that. So you don't worry about anything. Now, first, in one dimension. One dimension means there are three type of dimensions: x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. अभी बेटा एमॉर्फस पर ही हो आप? अभी मैं लास्ट में देता हूं. मैंने क्या बोला? We will extend the session and then we will discuss. Don't worry about that. Okay? उससे क्या होता है, रिदम ब्रेक हो जाती है, तो फिर वो मजा उतना मजा नहीं आता फिर. तो अभी सीखते जाओ जो मैं सिखा रहा हूं. Now, these are the atoms. These are the atoms. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now it is an end of which dimension? One dimension, two dimension? One dimension, means towards x-axis. If we talk about this atom, this one, what is the coordination number? Yes, Ishwar. Yes. This atom is touched by only two atoms, so the coordination number is equal to 2. Now this is called coordination number. Coordination number is the number of atoms touching the particular atom which we are studying, right? Now, packing in 2D. Should be, can be different, but now we are studying that we are in the learning mode. We are not in the perfect mode. We are in the learning mode. So we have to take them same. Rank is 6. Which rank? Which rank? Rank is a total number of atom in the unit cell. There is no unit cell. Now, first is square close packing. What about the end atoms? The coordination number is 1. अरे यार, तुम लोग कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हो? ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? Diamond. Very good. Each carbon atom is attached to how many atoms? 4. What about the last atom? यार ऐसी बातें मत करो, ऐसी बातें मत करो, पढ़ लो थोड़ा सा जो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं. अब मैं ये तो नहीं पूछूंगा लास्ट वाला कितने से जुड़ा होगा, 4 से, 3 से, 2 से. ऐसे मत करो, पढ़ लो. और कोई कोई एग्जाम में पूछेगा भी नहीं आपसे. ओके, दिस इज एन एटम, another atom, another atom, and whenever we talk about solids, we talk about the bulk, and bulk means we have to talk about those atoms or molecules which are inside. We don't talk about the surface. This is your answer. Now see, these are the atoms. No problem, it is your fundamental right to ask the questions. Every student has the fundamental right. Now you tell me, if I join these centers, what I will get? What is this? This is a square, and this is square close packing. Now tell me, what is the coordination number of this? How many atoms are touching? Is this touching? Is this touching? This. How many atoms are touching? The coordination number is equal to 4. Very good. Right? And this is called square close packing. Now, I have one question. The same question came in. You didn't get how to calculate the coordination number. Coordination number means the atoms touching. Which atom is touching? Okay, tell me. From my, I think that this as atom is touching, the middle one. This is touching. Which else is touching? This is touching, and this is touching. These 4 are touching. Which else is touching? Tell me. Okay, I am stop. I'm not teaching. I'm just seeing that what is your answer. Rohini. Corners don't touch. Which corner? This is not touching. There's a gap between them. No, it's not touching. So what is the coordination number? Any doubt? This is the question for homework. How we found the packing fraction in that case? 3D. The total number of spheres, yeah, or you can say the volume of the sphere divided by the volume of the cube. Yes, in unit cell, yes. Yes, we found the volume of the sphere divided by the volume of cube. This is 2D. Now here what you will do? Now here in 2 dimension, you have to find out the area, not volume, area. And how many circles are there? How many circles? Okay, this is a question from 10th class. How many circles are there inside? 3. One is this one, and okay, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and at the corner, yes. How many? 4 circles. So it will be 4 into pi r square. It will be 4 into pi r square. And what about the area of this square? A square. What is the relation between A and R? This is A. This is A. A and R. A is equal to 4R. Put the value, get the answer. Finish. First you find out. If you are not able to find out, I will tell you. This is a simple thing. Means class 10th student can do this thing. You studied probability in class 10th. So these type of questions were there in the probability. Your land is thundering a lot. So recorded version. Yeah, sure, Deepshika, why not? Means in her city something is happening. I need the answer in the next class. Okay, next. Hexagonal close. That was square close packing. This is hexagonal close packing. Yesterday, I was discussing with the other students. I told them one mantra. I'm telling you again, is that is a single line. Better is the concentration in the class. Better is the concentration in the class. Lesser will be the hard work you have to do at your home. This is the previous page. And this is, I think this is R. Up to here it is R. This is complete diameter. And then again R. So this is 4R. Right? Clear? Mr. What? How? .785. That is the correct answer. Mr. What is the problem? If any of the student is having the problem, I will not move ahead. Nothing? Okay, good. Now, let's come. See, that is a homework. Come on, you are doing in the class. Hexagonal close packing. Now see, Nothing was the answer. Vishwa, please find at home, please. Please, beta. These are the atoms. Okay. Any doubt? Now, why hexagonal close packing? Because if I join these centers, what I will get? Hexagon. Now, what is the coordination number of each atom? If I talk about this atom, how many atoms are touching? Excellent. In square close packing, 4 will touch. Here it will 6 will touch. And the packing fraction, here I am telling you, it's something about 90.6%, the packing fraction. And how you will find the packing fraction? Can you find, do you know how to find out the, yes, there are 3 circles. Do you know how to find out the area of hexagon?